friends! Today I'm going to be making Spaghetti Napolitan. It's a Japanese take on a pasta dish seasoned with a lot of ketchup. You can make it with pantry ingredients in 15 minutes. It's so delicious and addictive. I like to serve it with a thin omelette underneath the pasta to make it special, and it is a copycat recipe from a famous restaurant. It's a very popular pasta dish in Japan, and of course nothing to do with Naples. Let's get started. Let's start cooking with boiling spaghetti. I am using 1.7 mm in diameter spaghetti. That is the thickest spaghetti I can find at the grocery store. For spaghetti Napolitan, choose a thick spaghetti. You should follow the cooking time according to the package instruction. For this dish, a little bit of overcooked spaghetti will make a good result. While boiling the spaghetti, let's prepare the other ingredients. Slice onion thinly. Slice green bell pepper into thin strips crosswise. To make it easier to twist with spaghetti around fork, I always slice it against the grain. In this way, the green bell pepper cooks down soft. Wipe off the dirt from the mushroom and slice it into thin slices. Beat 2 large eggs with a pinch of salt. We are using this later. Let's go back to the spaghetti. It looks good. Save a cup of pasta water aside and drain. Toss in a tablespoon of olive oil to prevent sticking each other. Set aside. Now we start cooking the pasta sauce. Heat a pan on medium-high and cook your bacon until it gets browning and the fat comes out. Today I am using a bacon already cut into matchsticks. Sausage or ham are good alternatives. Add in sliced onion and cook 1 minute until it starts softening. Add the mushrooms and green bell pepper. We always start cooking with firm vegetables, in this case, the onion. Cook a couple of minutes until the vegetables getting soft. Season with a chicken soup powder if you have it, and salt and pepper. Make a space in the center and add in the ketchup. Cook it up to make it even more flavorful for a while. Then stir fry until evenly cooked. Add cooked spaghetti and mix well until evenly seasoned. Sprinkle pasta water to thin it out. Give it a taste, and if your ketchup tastes sour, add a little bit of sugar to make it mild. Okay, it looks good. Let's finish the spaghetti like a famous restaurant. Heat a cast iron skillet on high and add in olive oil. Pour in the beaten egg to make a thin omelette. Turn off the heat while it is not cooked yet and topped with the spaghetti right on top. Of course, you can serve the spaghetti as it is. It looks perfect. Your spaghetti Napolitan is served. This is a big one for my son's weekend lunch. He's back from the college every weekend. And this smaller one is for me. Just before serving, sprinkle with Parmigiano-Reggiano and a little bit of olive oil to make it even more flavorful. It's full of flavor and texture. The sauce is sweet and a little bit sour, and spaghetti is bouncy. The omelette gives it a good twist. I like this so much. It reminds me of my childhood memories. I don't think this is an authentic way of cooking spaghetti, and Italian people will not feel comfortable with it, but this is a Japanese take, so please forgive us. It's one of the comfortable food for us. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!